Hi, I want to make a video and share with you how and why I use Trello. I think any rational person needs something to be organized, memorize important stuff, be reminded to keep up with things in life. Almost any phone or computer has a built-in to-do list and notes app, and there's maybe millions of such apps on the internet. Just look at them. Another one after another one. Why it seems everyone just wants to make a to-do list app. You can even try using sticky notes like in the old days. But for some reason, throughout the years, I stick to using any default to-do app in combination with Trello. Sometimes it can be hard to manage stuff in default apps and share data between them. It's also quite tricky to share lists and notes with other people. In general, Trello gives you more power and more control, at the same time it doesn't overwhelm you. And you can invite anyone to participate in your board. This is why I prefer to use for my projects and more overwhelming tasks and notes. Trello is similar to lots of different apps like Evernote, OmniFocus, Google Keep, but I just like this one for its simplicity. Let me show you how it works so you can get an idea for yourself. Taking a look at templates can help you get an idea how you can organize your board. As you can see, there's lots of powerful concepts and can go from the simplest board to full-on project management tool. What works for me is something minimalistic. What I usually do is I create a notes list, a to-do list, a doing list, and a done list. It helps me create quick notes and then organize everything nicely to keep up with my projects and tasks. And there's lots of features to help you get organized, labels, checklists, and much more. You can use them to make your task or note more detailed. If you want to get reminded about something, there's ability to do so. You can set it up on any note. And there's lots and lots of different power-ups to help you get even more features out of your board. But for me, calendar is pretty simple, helps me keep track of everything, and in general, I just like to use it. For me, all this is more than enough to get started and keep up with my progress and my tasks. Hopefully, Trello can be useful for you as well and can help you launch your productivity to the moon.